Welcome to join some Qigong movements for the 5 elements. It's a generally vitalizing, strengthening Qigong sequence. We will start to do some tapping of acupoints, and we start with Bai Hui on the top of the head to kind of raise the energy and be more vital. Second point is the immune point. It helps any kind of tension, also to help if you have any cold, problems with the upper regions of the body. And the third point is on the top of the acromion. You can bounce quite hard there to help release tension of the neck, shoulders and the head. Don't do this if you are pregnant. Here also we have a point that helps ailments, something in the face or the head, headaches, toothache, heat, fever. You can bounce quite hard into this point. About 3 centimeters beside of your navel point, you have stomach 25. It's a commonly used point to help any kind of stomach issues. It helps to unblock the intestines and have a natural flow in your digestive system. And then you go down to exactly the side as far as you can reach, which is a gallbladder point. And tap into this gallbladder point, also to help to keep a good flow, especially in your gallbladder, liver, your wood system. And then under your knee, about 1 hand below the knee on the meaty part of the outside of the middle bone, just bounce really hard into this point. This is stomach 36. It really helps to energize the whole body. Then go to the inside of the knee, just underneath the knee, like into the hollow part behind the bones. It's good for damp issues. And then you bounce down, and then you come to a point, it's called liver 3, also to help disperse the liver. Just tap nicely up along your body, up to the chest, and then out the arm. And back. And then out the other arm and back, and then down to the stomach and up to the kidneys, and hold your hands over the kidney. Now we will go to the first of the 5 exercises. It's for the kidneys and the water element. So you're standing with bent knees, feet firmly into the ground. And you start to move your lower back back and forth. So put your attention on the lower back and the tailbone. So when you breathe in, your tailbone is going backward, opening the chest. And when you're breathing out, you're like pushing up your lower back. So breathing in, opening the chest, breathing out, pushing up the back. Now try to change your breathing so that you're breathing in to your lower back, like helping to opening the lower back. And then you breathe out when you curve your lower back. So one more time. So breathe into your lower back, like push back, open your lower back, tailbone down. And then relax back. And come up with the hands all the way to your kidneys, and you can feel like you're taking a few breaths into the palms of your hands. So keep your attention on the palms, like you're feeling a movement there. And now the second exercise for the liver and gallbladder, the wood element. You stand with your feet slightly wider than your hips. And you breathe in, bring the arms out a bit and breathe out. And put loose fists on your hip bones. Diagonally push with one hand and look over the hand. Circle your hand and bring back. Breathe out, down. Breathe in, open. Breathe out, close. Hands up to the hips. And push. Circle the hand like bringing in something new, fresh back. Breathe out, palms downward. Now we will add a sound, the sound sh. So they're pushing with the hand, sh. Bringing back something new, down. And when you breathe in now, it's like you're expanding the whole body and contracting inward the whole body. Bring that up and then shh. Back to the hip and down. Okay, one more time. So expand your whole body, relax the shoulders, contract the body to the middle. Be ready with the hands. Also look over the fingertips. You are staring in the direction of your hand. Back. Very softly expand. Focus on the outside of the body. Focus on the inside of your legs, center of your body. Stare over your hand. Bring back. And release down. And feel your feet firmly, nicely into the ground or the floor. Now we come to the third element, the fire element, and the heart. With palms outward, bring your little fingers together and you draw a heart in front of you, arms stretched out. Keep little fingers together and bring the palms in towards you. Circle the hands. Interlock the fingers behind your head and open your chest, engage the back and feel something warm. Feel the sun like lying in the best place ever. And bring back and lower your hands into your hips and down. Now one more time, little fingers together, circling, meeting the little fingers again. Little fingers is a end point of the heart and also the starting point of the small intestine, both fire elements. Okay, and now add the sound ah, which is the sound of the heart. Opening nicely your chest, engaging your upper back, and coming back. Be attentive to your hands coming down to your hips and bring down. And we do one more time. So forward with the hands, stretch out forward. Bring in. Circle. Interlock your hands You can open the chest with the sound ah. Imagine the warm sun on your whole body. And open and bring back to your hips and connect with the palms down towards the ground. And now some very nice exercises for the stomach and spleen. Start with your left palm facing down, the right palm facing up. You start to draw circles in the air in front of you, where the two hands are drawing a circle each, but meeting and crossing in the middle. And when you kind of get into it, you can start to let this movement be transferred into your body, so that you feel your stomach is twisting and you have a natural massage of your whole stomach area. And then you go back and now you change. So the other hand is facing up, the other hand is facing down. So your weight also can start to move from your left to your right with the movement. Just see if it can come naturally. It's nice twisting to help the digestion. In Chinese medicine, the stomach, the digestion have to transform and transport things where it's needed to the body. And then you stop and turn your hands again. Now one hand is moving upward, the other one down. As far as you can reach, then it changes and you open to the sides so that the other hand is upward, the other one is down. And again, they meet in front of your navel. So you breathe in and open, separate the hands as much as you can. And go around, breathe out when you're closing again. So it's an expansion. One more time. Expansion, opening. You can use the sound ooh, which is a sound for the stomach. And bring back. Breathe out again. Contracting, bring things back. Opening with ooh, and changing, closing, integrating back. One more time. Breathe in. And back in front of your stomach. Keep the hands in front of your stomach to integrate on the exercises. And again, bring hands down. And now to an exercise to strengthen your lungs and your large intestine, the metal element. So push your thumbs straight forward from your chest, opening the arms straight. And then opening further to the sides, thumbs pointing upward. When you breathe in, turn the thumbs backward like you're twisting and opening the whole chest area. Bring thumbs back and then change for the index finger. And lower your arms gently and let the index finger like stretch down toward the ground, opening the whole front of your body all the way up to the mouth area. And then relax. And one more time, you're raising up your thumbs and push them forward from you, opening to both sides, stretching out the arms, and twist your thumbs backward and feel the sound E. And then back. Change your finger and open the whole front of your body, index finger downward and the mouth area upwards. And relax. And the last time. So along your body, thumbs go forward, push forward. And push the thumbs outward like drawing half a circle. And gently tone in. Back and change your fingers. Drop your arms down. Index fingers towards the ground. Open the front of your body. Mouth area upwards. And relax. Put your hands over your navel area and massage your whole stomach area, the dantian, to integrate what you have been practicing in both directions. It also helps the flow of the intestines and the bowel. Now, be still for a few seconds. And thank you so much for today. Have an amazing day.